I am blown away by this product here. Hi, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, food, beauty, clothing, you name it, I unbox it. I have a new box for you guys today and I am super excited. So this box is from Gymnastics Squared. They do have little stickers all over the box, kind of cute. Adds a little something something to the box. As you've guessed, Gymnastics Squared is for gymnasts. They have 3 different box options and 6 different age ranges, so you can kind of customize your box to your age and also your price point and what you would like to get in a box. You can receive up to 7 items a month depending on your box. The items will include leotards, jump ropes, shorts, books, weights, massage balls or rollers, liquid chalk, etc. The list goes on and on and on. Just basic things that you need for gymnastics. So let's go over the costs of them. They have their gold box, which is the lowest option. You can get that one for as low as $16.67 a month, and that one includes 3 to 5 items. Then they have the platinum box. You can get that one for as low as $30 a month. That one has 3 to 7 items. And I don't know if the platinum box also gets like the items that the gold box gets and then just adds on a couple items. I know a lot of subscriptions boxes do that. The higher you go up, or the more expensive the box, the more they just build on and keep the same products that the lower boxes get and then just add. So I don't know if it's completely different or if it's along those lines and you get the same, just more different things. And then they have the Leotard Box. This one is their most expensive, coming in at $40 a month. And then you get 1 to 3 leotards every single month. Enough talking. Let's pop on into this box. I've already cut it open, so it'll be nice and easy for us to just dig right in. Ooh, we have the lovely crinkle paper. Hot pink crinkle paper. This box is heavy, you guys. It's a nice, pretty big size box, and it is packed full. So while we have crinkle paper, we don't have tons and tons of crinkle paper. Ooh, this is really nice. I like product cards when in subscription boxes. They tell me what comes in the box, they tell me the price of everything in the box, and that makes my job easier for you because then I can easily be like, this is the price of the box at the end and compare the value of the box compared to how much you're going to be paying for it, because here at Subscriptions Galore, that is important. We want boxes that are worth more than what you're paying for them, because in my opinion, that's what I'm looking for in a subscription box. If I could go to the store or order it online and it's the same, what's the point of getting a subscription box other than the surprise? But you know, like, I want my subscription box to be more than what I'm paying for it. So I will be referring to this, and it has okay, cool. So the back kind of goes over some of the items and gives you a little synopsis of the item, what you would use it for. They also have a website you can go to for different ideas with one of the items. I'll talk to you about that in a second. For videos to watch, that is fantastic. I mean, they've got this good. So far, I'm loving this box. Okay, so let's talk about it. The gold box. We will go over everything that came in the gold box. So because they have it broken up, I'm assuming these items go in the gold box, and then this item down here is for the platinum box. But I could be wrong. It could be for the platinum, could be these items plus this item. But you know what? If it was just this one item that came in the platinum box this month, I would not be mad because of the price of this item that I'm seeing, it's more than what you're going to pay for the box. So we'll get to that in a second. Let's talk about the gold box, what comes in it. First things on top, can we see? Whoa, okay, I'm going to pull it out for you guys. We have a bag. It says Snowflakes Designs, and it's just a drawstring bag. This bag retails for $12.99. These bags are nice if you're traveling to the gym and to take your water bottle in, or extra gymnastics stuff to put your water bottles in, or just little extra gymnastic stuff. Maybe you're going straight from school or work or whatever. This could be for a little kid. Fold up their leotard, put it in here. It would definitely fit. I love it. It is holographic. It looks holographic in my viewfinder, but I'm not sure what is picking up actually was recording it, but it's gorgeous. And then it has the in-between violet, purple, which it's like purple, but it almost looks blue in some spots, and then it's like pink in others. So gorgeous. It is made out of a very stretchy material. It's the same material that your leotards are made from, so it is a nice stretchy bag. It's going to have some give to it. And then we have a nice cord and a drawstring at the top. Okay, next on top we have tape grips, and these are by Gym Kiwis. This is a 3-pack and it retails for $11. I'm going to take our handy dandy little bag and just put our items right in the bag. Next, because this is so cute, this is a TY Beanie Baby, just a little fun toy for your child to play with. This one retails for $12.99, and it is a decent sized Beanie Baby, super soft, lovely blue glittery eyes. Let's see. Aww, his name is Slush. Cute, a little husky, how adorable. Next we have a really, really thick roll of athletic tape. This is by the brand M Tape, and it retails for $4.50. So this is something that is used a lot in gymnastics, and just like the tape grips is something that you're going to run out of or need replacing. So it's always practical items, not just stuff that you're like, okay, I might try out once and then never use again. And then this next ball, this is a G2, which is Gymnastics Squared, so it's their brand, sports massage ball, and this one retails for $5. It's nice, it's weighty, it's nice and rubbery and soft. And on the back of this is where the video comes into play. They actually give you a website to go and watch videos on how to use this massage ball, and gives you ideas. I think that's great. It has on here a simple test to do to use the stretches, and they have helpful hints on here. This paper is very informative and very, very useful, so it adds a little extra something to the box. I love it when subscription companies give you these. Okay, so there's that. Let's quickly add up the price of all these items that came for the gold box and see what their value is compared to what you would be paying. The value of this box, oh my gosh. Okay, so I added all the prices up. The massage ball is $5. The athletic tape is $4.50. The tape grips were $11. The bag was $12.99, and then the Beanie Baby was also $12.99, and that price comes to, oh, I just hit clear. So the total of this box comes to $46.48, and if I did say earlier that you'd be paying $16.67, I said as low as, because if you pay for multiple months, if you buy like 12 months at a time, that's what it's going to come to. If you're paying just $1, if you're just doing it monthly, you're going to be paying $25. So there is a jump from $16.67 to $25. They do have 3 month, 6 month, and then your 12 month. So if you buy more months at a time, it lowers your cost. However, even if you're paying month to month, $25 compared to $46, $48, so let's just round up to $46.50 or $47, you're still getting a huge deal. Like, that is over $20 over the cost of this box. So fantastic. I love the value compared to the cost of the box. Wonderful. This is like A+ in my book when I'm looking at a box. The products in here are usable, they're practical, they're good quality, they're things that you're going to use a lot if you are seriously into gymnastics. So, on to the Platinum Box, shall we? The Platinum Box has one item, and you might be thinking, okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the gold box. Why, oh why, does the Platinum Box only have one item? And can it really be that good? Well, it comes in a beautiful shiny case, and this is the heavy thing in the box. So, like I said before, I think the Platinum Box is just this one item. I don't think the Platinum Box is this item plus the others. If it was, that'd be ridiculous. This, let me tell you what it is. This is a G2 sports massage gun. It retails for $119. $100. I'm going to lose everything, so, you know, if things start just falling everywhere, that is why. $119, you guys. It comes in this really insanely nice case. We have a user manual guide for it. Looks like different parts here. Let's pull out the gun. Oh my goodness. And here we have our sports gun, massager gun, and it has the G2 brand right there on the side. I've never used one. It has an on and off switch. It has different buttons, so I'm assuming you can increase or decrease the strength of something. I've never used this. I definitely will need to read the user manual. But I'm excited because even though it's for gymnastics, I think we're going to steal it. Okay, so another thing, it has a different attachments for it. It has this like foam, it's kind of like firm, but it gives a little bit ball for it. Then we have this one that's like a flat oval, not oval, but just like a flat tip to it. It is kind of skinny at the top. And we have this one that looks like little goal posts. 3 more tips to go. So altogether it has 6. It has this nice flat circular one. And then this one here that's kind of like has ribs and pointed. I'm thinking more for like certain, you know, if you want certain spots on your back that you're sore. And then this one that is curved. I have no idea what any of these tips are going to be used for, so that's something that I will definitely have to read. But, you know, I can't get over this. $119, so basically a $120 product. Do we really, I mean, really need to compare the cost to this? I mean, without me even like saying it right off the bat, y'all know it's worth more than what you're going to be paying for it. So I had said before, the Platinum Box you could pay for as low as $30 a month. That is, again, if you're buying the 12-month subscription. If you buy a 1-month subscription, $40. $40. This could have been yours for $40. What? Okay, I know I'm raving on about this, but come on. $119 product for $40. What kind of subscription box does that? An amazing one. So if you buy multiple months, like 3, 6, 12 months, you're going to pay less. 12 months, you'd get for $30. I mean, that is fantastic. A subscription box that really goes out of its way to provide high quality products, to provide extra information for you. That takes a lot of work. That takes a lot of thought, a lot of time. And not only that, but the box, the quality is there. The cost value of the box compared to what you're paying, 100% recommend. Okay, maybe not 100% because that's a lot. But I'd like 99% recommend looking into this box. Maybe you're interested, maybe you're not, but take a look at it. Maybe just get it for a month, see if you like it. Fantastic. I mean, the value is just quality off the charts. Amazing. I will leave a link down below so you can go check it out. I mean, the gold box alone was good, but the platinum box, whew, mind blown. Amazing. Just amazing. So that is all I have for today. Let me know how you guys are doing in the comments down below, and let me know if you have somebody that is into gymnastics. Would you like this box? Is it something you'd be interested in? I hope you have an awesome, amazing, fun week. I will see you in the next video. Bye!